You got solder on your tip.
You gotta knock that solder off.
Knock that sledge off your tip.
There you go.
A little higher. Come on. Take up that flame. Come on. A little more green in that flame. Come on. Take it up. Don't take it down. Turn up your acetylene. Come on. Up. Come on. Up. Acetylene up. There you go.
Remember what I showed you, right, Dennis?
You don't go upside down. You don't go down. You go up.
Upside down?
You go up.
Why the flame so long, though?
You want me to show you?
No, I don't want you to show me.
Get that flame around it.
Close.
Back off a little bit. Now do it. Do it, quick. Stop. Now just use your flame to
Move it around.
move it around. You got enough solder there. What do you need more solder for?
Yeah, heat it up. Heat it up and let it flow like liquid.
That's burning. You got 4 times.
Burning your whole your thing up there.
Burning my things up.
No, I got him now.
It take on fire, man. Look at it.
Oh, shit. I'm a run, boy.
Tell you what, let me finish it. We've already called enough stuff on
That's
that.
what we